about the making of the laws, state. Today we will discuss new chapter. Okay? Right. Yesterday, what you learned? నిన్న క్లాస్లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు? నిన్న సోషల్ ఏమన్నా క్లాస్ నడిచిందా? నిన్న చెప్పలే? సార్ అడిగాడు. రైట్. ఓకే. We discuss about the making of the laws in the state assembly. Do you know the making of laws? Making of laws అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా మీకు? లాస్ అంటే చట్టాలు తయారు చేయడం. చట్టాలు తయారు చేయడం. అందుకే మీకు డౌట్ వస్తే అక్కడ పక్కన వెళ్ళవచ్చు కదా. రాష్ట్ర శాసనసభ చట్టాల తయారని ఉందా? ఓకే. మీకు తెలుసా ఎవరు చట్టాలు తయారు చేస్తారు? డూ యు నో హూ మేక్ ఏ లాస్? ఎవరు? హూ టు మేక్ ఏ లాస్? ఎవరు తయారు చేస్తారు? State Assembly. Ending itself? State Assembly. Making of laws in the State Assembly. So, actually, it is a new chapter for you. That's why we don't know how to make a laws. Today, we will discuss how to make a laws. Okay? Right. These are the keywords. How many members read the lesson? Raise your hands. How many members read the lesson? Raise your hand. ఎంతమంది చదువుతారు ఇంగ్లీష్లో? 1 2 members. What about boys? Right. Okay. So please stand up. Read the keywords. అన్ని కనపడతలేదు. Do you have any problem? Okay. Okay. Legislature. Okay. Before going to read, first I will read the words. Okay. Right. Legislature. Legislature. Bicameral legislature. Unicameral legislature. Constituency. Bill. Law. Oblique. Act. Okay. Once again. Legislature. Bicameral legislature. Unicameral legislature. Constituency. Bill. Law or act. So these are the keywords. Stand up. Read.
Legislature, bicameral legislature, unicameral legislature
Constituency.
bill, law or act.
Very good. Right? Okay. Anybody? Other? Once again, read.
Legislature, legislature, unicameral legislature, constituency, bill, law or act.
Oh, you are super fast. Right? Okay. Anybody from? We have to try. Okay? We want to discuss one by one. Okay? The first one is legislature. Right? The law making body of the state responsible for creating, discussing and passing laws. So, legislature అంటే ఏంది? తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు దీన్ని? తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? శాసన సభ. శాసన సభ. అది ఏం చేస్తుంది? The law making body of the state responsible for creating, discussing and passing laws. Right? This is the legislature. Okay? Bicameral legislature means a state legislature that has two houses. One is legislative assembly and legislative council.